Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about something that's really important in our daily lives, home security. Introducing the Godrej Smart Lock iCatus Touch Plus. This smart lock is designed to provide you with maximum security and convenience. With its sleek rose gold finish, it's not only secure but also stylish. The premium design and build quality make it a perfect addition to any modern home. The rose gold finish adds a touch of elegance and sophistication, making it a great choice for those who value both form and function. In addition to its stylish design, this smart lock is also incredibly secure. It features advanced security protocols and encryption, ensuring that your home and loved ones are protected from unauthorized access. The lock also has a robust build quality, making it resistant to tampering and forced entry. But what really sets this smart lock apart is its convenience features. With its 4-in-1 access, you can unlock your door using your fingerprint, RFID card, PIN, or mechanical key. This means you'll never have to worry about losing your keys or forgetting your password again. Plus, the lock's advanced sensors and algorithms ensure that it can detect and respond to potential security threats in real time. Overall, this smart lock is the perfect choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home security and convenience. Its sleek design, advanced security features, and convenient access options make it a must-have for any modern homeowner. So, let's dive into the features of this smart lock. It offers 4-in-1 access, which means you can unlock it using your 1. Fingerprint. With advanced fingerprint recognition technology, you can unlock your door with just a touch. 2. RFID card. Simply tap your RFID card on the lock to gain access. 3. PIN. Enter your unique PIN code to unlock your door. 4. Mechanical key. And, of course, you can always use a traditional mechanical key. This 4-in-1 access feature provides unparalleled convenience and flexibility, allowing you to choose the method that works best for you. But that's not all. This smart lock is also equipped with advanced security features, including 1. Anti-theft alarm. If someone tries to force open the lock or tamper with it, the anti-theft alarm will sound, alerting you and your neighbors. 2. Automatic locking. With this feature, the lock will automatically engage after a set period of time, ensuring your door is always secure, even if you forget to lock it. These advanced security features provide an additional layer of protection and peace of mind, knowing your home and loved ones are safe and secure. But what else can this smart lock do? Well, let me tell you. This smart lock is also equipped with 1. Remote monitoring. With the Godrej app, you can monitor your lock's activity remotely, receiving notifications whenever someone enters or exits your home. 2. Grant access. Need to grant access to a guest or service provider? No problem. With the app, you can create temporary access codes or digital keys. 3. Lock scheduling. Want to ensure your door is locked at a specific time every day? You can schedule locking and unlocking times with the app. 4. Tamper alerts. If someone tries to tamper with the lock, you'll receive an alert on your phone, ensuring you're always aware of any potential security breaches. 5. Low battery alerts. The lock will send you notifications when the battery is running low, ensuring you never get locked out. With its sleek design, advanced security features, and smart functionality, this lock is the perfect choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home security. The Godrej Smart Lock iCatus Touch Plus is for price 11,945. If you're interested in buying this product, click the link in the description below. That's it for today's review. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.